What's up, YouTube? The Go back again with another video, and today is the vintage swap meet part 3, not 2, 3. Well, this has been the third event this year. Now, if you guys are into thrifting, flipping, and reselling old vintage clothing, this is the event for you. Now, you know what they say, third time's a charm, so we're gonna hit them up again, Let's see if we can find some beat sneakers, some old vintage t-shirts for the low, and let's get started.
Hey, stay blessed to impress. It's a thrift guy live and direct. Get it? Get it.
I just caught them, bro. I mean, you can get them off of me if you want me. What? Name me offer.
What were you? Can I sell it?
Man,
You got them in here?
Yeah. Do it on the stage.
Bro, I spent my life, like when I first got here, at like 11 walking around looking for niggas, bro.
He sold them to me for 35.
Can I try it on?
Go ahead.
Nice colorway too. Would you do 50?
50? Yeah, I can do that.
What size is the jacket right here?
It's not for sale, to be honest.
What comes next? Hey, what's the program? Never try to play a superstar hunter. Cause if these kids don't go buy our records, we'll be husbands. I'm much thinking, so we open. Sign up on the nice niggas. Just hate you boys and bring the noise and respect.
They seem legit, for real. I had to get this sandwich, man. I'm starving, bro. For events like this, how much do y'all cash out? How much do y'all make, pretty much?
This is our first one of this kind. We're expecting like $1,000, $2,000.
1,000?
Yeah.
And how much? And tell me how much for a booth again? For this booth?
For this booth, 60.
60?
Yeah.
30 a piece?
Yeah. The return, man. It's something else.
Man, bro, I like. Let's go! Okay, well, without further ado, let's see what we got. I got these Yeezys. These are customs. I didn't even know these was Yeezys until I actually purchased them. What really caught my attention was the paint splatter. And then I looked into the shoe and it says Yeezy. So I'm like, bro, I got these for a steal. Or, you know, the guy was letting it go for the low, or he didn't know the worth. But I had to cop them. Now, you guys did see what happened to the Bapesters. I had them for like 5 minutes, and the guy just, hey, let me get them off. I'm like, how much you trying to pay? But then again, it is what it is. I got this Guess jacket for 50 bucks. I don't know. I saw potential in this, so I might keep it. I got this Winnie the Pooh tee. I like the bright colors on it. That really caught my eye. It was 2 for $20. Now, probably my favorite find of the day is this t-shirt right here with the kittens on it. It goes with the Yeezy, so that's the outfit right there. What else did I get? Oh, yeah. Shout out A17 Vintage, man, for this t-shirt. I got this Nautica t-shirt. I just like it gives me that old school vibe, so that's the reason I purchased it. Purchased it for 10 bucks. Good people over there. I had some shades, but oh, that right here. Got these for 2 for 15, and I got this bag for 5 bucks. So next time, if you guys are in Dallas, check out the swap meet, trade sale, do whatever. Follow me on social media below. Thank you guys for staying to the end.